Mangingena la, ngiyabona ukuthi labantwana bayashisa bonke mara. Ngiyafila ukuthi ukhona uzohlanya la. Wayekuthenzi.
Hey, asifuna abantu bazothi siyabahlukumeza.
Uhlukumeza baba.
Hey, we never know.
That shade is directed at me. I stare at her and I'm like, okay.
Mamkhulu hleka kanje ngiyazi nendaba wena.
Ayilutho.
Ngiyazakalani? Niyabifa.
Hayi. I'll just do some touch up where I know what's going on. Things that were said yesterday or things were a bit tense. We were just left in question marks.
We were all very like sisterly, you know, we borrowed each other's stuff, you know. So now you're gonna make accusation or how do you expect us to feel?
I'd say there are things we are saying off camera, but she won't mention the good things we do for her on camera. I bought her my shoelaces, jewelry. She did her baby hair in the morning, but she won't mention those good things.
I also bought her my bag.
She won't mention them.
That's so low. So what am I supposed to do? Should I scream, I give you this bag, or should I compose myself?
So ngihlukumezanga nhlanhla.
Anyways, thank you for bringing my stuff back too. Do you have something better to ask me? Do you have anything else you can ask other than that?
I asked those questions.
Can I say something, guys? Okay, if you can go to the toilet and have a conversation not only about me, but about other girls as well, which was heard. We're not saying asizwang, we're saying we heard it.
Oh,
We were being direct about
When
it.
you start up, Lento show.
No, she told me.
Oh, niteleni.
Ungjelile.
Ukutshelile.
Okay, anyways, as I was saying,
Mamkhulu is fighting Rethabile over I don't even know gore batho ba ba lwelang.
Wena ngifuna ungene because lo lala nathi lapha. Usukile wezamena ne? Ngifuna ukuthi ungene kakhulu. Mina ngibuza ukuthi uzoyingena ne ngesikhathi sakho. Njengamanje isikhathi sami.
because taba
Ngicela ukuthi angikhulumi nawe. Uzothola ngikhulumi nawe. Angikhulumi nawe.
Wena udidi imali.
Wena uyaqambukela inkinga yakho. Uyayenza.
Manje uPalisi ngoba uyathanda ukugxamukela izintweni ezingamfuni uyagxamukelile-ke bancinganeni because abazali bazela indoda bobabili.
Okay, asisukumeni sodisha pasidleni then sizokhona ukuhamba. Because impilo zenu shambiyo. Yeah.